everybody, this is Dave Bensman with Bensman Home Computer Repair, and today I'd like to talk about a great program called Teamviewer. Teamviewer is a program that you can use to have somebody fix your computer from a remote location. They could be in a different city. As long as you trust them, you know them, or there's some sort of local company or something like that, then this is a great resource. Basically, what you're going to do is you're going to open a Google search page and you're going to search for the word Teamviewer, just like it sounds. And right here, Teamviewer is what you're looking for, teamviewer.com. And what you're going to do is you're going to look at the top of the page right here. It says download. You're going to click on that. Then down here in the lower left-hand corner, you're going to click where it says download Teamviewer. And what should come up is a box like this, and it'll say Teamviewer _ setup.exe. You're going to click on, left click on Save File. And then that's going to download. Testing 1, 2. And it shouldn't take very long to download. It should be a small file, like 25 megs or so. And then what you're going to do is once you've downloaded the file, you're going to get into your personal files right here, whatever it is. If your name's Alice, it'll say Alice there. And then you're going to go on the left in the quick access bar and you're going to type in, or you're going to click on downloads. Now, if you don't know where your downloads are, you don't have your personal folder up on your desktop, you're not able to get to your downloads, all you have to do is go down, if you're using Windows 10, where it says type here to search and type in downloads. And you can see that should pop up right here in this list, and that'll take you to your downloads. Make sure the most recent downloads are at the top of the list. If they're not, then all you have to do is left click where it says date modified, and they'll pop up there. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to double click on the executable that I just downloaded. It should say Teamviewer setup.exe, and I'll be seeing this. So I want to make sure that I select default installation up here, and then I select personal down there, non-commercial use, and then I'm going to click on accept and finish. Then right here when it says do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, I'm going to say yes. And then it should go through the installation, and that should not take very long. So after it installs, it should come up like this. And then what you're going to do is you're going to call somebody that you trust, and they are going to put Teamviewer on their computer, and then at one point they're going to ask you for your ID and your password, and all you have to do is give them your ID and give them your password, and they're going to be able to get on your computer and fix it remotely. Now, if you happen to see a dash where it says password, or you don't see a password, what you may need to do is click on extras. You left click on that, you left click where it says options right under it, right there. And then you're going to click on security right there. And then you want to make sure that you click on the drop down box next to where it says password strength right here. And then you want to make sure that you're selecting secure 6 characters. And then that's what that should say right there. And then you say OK. And then you'll have an ID to give them and you'll have a password to give them, and that's all they're going to need. Once they install Teamviewer on their computer, that's all they're going to need in order to get on your computer and to fix it from a distance. Now, make sure that you do not give this information to anybody that you don't know or trust. It should be somebody that you actually know, or a local business that you have every reason to trust. It should definitely not be some random person that calls you claiming to be from Microsoft. That's a recipe for disaster. Just make sure that you only give this information to someone you know or someone you trust. I hope everybody found this video to be helpful. If so, please like and share it, and please subscribe to my channel. And if anybody's in the Memphis, Collierville, Cordova, Germantown, or Bartlett area, and you need in-home or remote computer repair support, please feel free to call me, Dave Bensman, at Bensman Home Computer Repair at 901-830-4362. And as always, stay safe.